Uh, Today I want to show you another type of anchor bolt. Uh, in this anchor bolt, it is already written that this type of anchor bolt is need a drill size half inch. So you can see it is a half inch, and this bolt is written quarter inch into 1.5 inch. The length of this one is written. So everything is written on this one. Install this one. So we wanna see, can we face any problem, or in first time can I do it successfully. So I already told you is already written 1.5 inch. So I'm going to drill a not 1.5, half inch only. So I'm going to drill a half inch drill. So that is already there, and I want to keep this drill almost the same size up to here. So I'm going to drill it. So this one is my, I already drill it. So this one I'm going to try it now. Just 1 minute. So it looks like this one is okay. So yeah, is not moving, is very perfect and perfectly aligned inside. So okay, thank you.